Hello guys, and the following video is basically a Fortnite gameplay which me and Raypolite257 and I are doing as I agreed to his collab. So I hope you enjoy the video.
To the match, should we?
Yep, of course.
I am so excited. Let's destroy everyone and get that CCW.
Of course, bros. I'm ready. Real quick. All right, I'm ready.
Bro,
Let's go.
you know you can speak in your normal accent.
Okay. I've gotten used to this accent.
Okay. Yeah, I always speak in my normal accent because I think I'm more familiar with my normal accent, and plus when I try to make accent it looks very funny. So I don't know.
So, guys, as you must be thinking that Roblox, Minecraft, and now Fortnite. And what about Shinobi Life 2 takedown video? So, Shinobi Life 2 got taken down a few days ago, and Lel Games are trying to do their best to get it back. So, I hope it will be back after a few days.
And guys, if you don't have any clue what he's talking about, that is because most probably you don't watch his YouTube channel. His channel's link will be in the description. Go subscribe to his channel or we won't be friends. Just kidding,
Yeah.
we'll still be friends, but still subscribe to him because he makes awesome Roblox videos and
Minecraft
he's
series.
yep. He also plays Minecraft, which I also play, and he's a cool YouTuber. Link will be in the description. Go check him out.
Yes.
Bro, let's land at Salty Springs.
So, where to land? Alright, let's go there.
I'm landing at Salty Springs.
So am I. Okay, wait, what the hell? Where are you going? Seriously?
Here.
So,
I will land on this house.
So I am not a pro player. If you are expecting some if you are expecting some pro gameplay, then you are not gonna get that here.
Okay, you can get some pro gameplay from me.
Yes, he is a Fortnite champion.
Hey,
Yes, and those who like this video will get 100 V-Bucks by Raypolite.
Bro, why are you trying to make me bankrupt?
You can't ask V-Bucks from me, bro. I don't play Fortnite that much. My viewers know that.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know, this skin which I'm wearing, I got it for 800 V-Bucks and I
Oh
spent
my
all
god,
of my V-Bucks.
somebody is shooting me right now. Wow, so bad. That is not how we play, my friend. That is not how we play. I am sorry about that, but no.
Bro,
no.
just try not to die.
Yeah, I am gonna jump over this. Okay. Go, run.
Help me! Help me!
Bro, take this.
What? Okay, thank you. I'm gonna kill that.
Yeah, where is that guy?
Right there. He's creating noise.
Bro, are you sure he's a sweat?
Yep, he had a big gun and I don't know which gun it was. So,
Okay, bro.
yes.
Seriously? You were scared of this guy?
Run.
Let me just take him down with ease.
Guys,
That's
run
a
like
big
for
boy.
Fortnite.
Bruh.
Oh my god, shotgun. Oh my god, run, just run. There's a shotgun dude on me right now. Create a wall. I don't know how to create a wall, but
Bro, got him. Chill.
I there is one more dude.
Help me! Help me!
Just stay behind me, bro.
Okay. Is it him?
Piece of a cake.
Seriously, bro?
Bro, I have a famous for you.
Are you kidding me right now?
What happened? Bro, some minis and medkit for you.
Thank you. I'm gonna change this with a shotgun. Okay, guys, we got
Bro,
our.
take that and first apply the medkit and then apply the mini. Bro, no. Medkit first. No, do not use the bandages because medkit. Let me show you my editing.
Okay. Now, noise.
Bro, just come here. I will make you float.
Will make me float.
Yep, come there.
Okay, I'm here.
No, here. At the marker. Here. Yep.
Okay. So,
Now I will edit so fast that you won't fall.
Bruh.
lol.
Okay, can I try that one more time? Can I try that one more time?
Okay, guys.
Yep, yep.
Okay,
I
guys.
haven't done this from.
Yeah.
See?
Okay, guys. If I fall, you have to comment on the video. If I don't fall, you need to subscribe and hit the bell icon and also like the video.
See, you
And
didn't fall. Bro, see, you didn't fall.
okay, guys. Repolite 257 did his task. And now it's your turn. Subscribe to the channel right now.
Yes, guys, you heard it here first. Subscribe to my channel. And his channel as well.
Yes. Oh wow, I got fresh water here. Oh nice. I can fly out with the water.
I believe I can fly.
Let's close the door. Like there are so great structures. Can't we just start a cafe in Fortnite? Like really?
Can't we just start
Start a
off?
cafe in Fortnite? Okay, Fortnite lovers. I know this idea sucks, but
What this idea?
sucks about a cafe in Fortnite.
Yeah.
You can name it.
Bro, you can have my blue pistol because I found some shockwaves. Shockwave grenade. Just run. Do you have that mini which I gave you? Those two minis?
Which mini? Acha, those two miniguns.
Yeah. No, minis.
What minis?
They look like some kind of ocean.
Yes, I have that. I have that bottle.
Yeah, drink them. I will cover you. Yeah, both of them. That will give you some extra shields.
Okay.
Let's go to the ruins so that we can get some more elims.
Okay, so can anyone tell me
Wait a minute. Who are you?
what is that gigantic robot and why is it
Bro,
coming this
that is
way?
Gorger, bro.
Gorgeous. Gorgeous is
Gorgeous.
like gorgeous seems like a female in words. And I'm gonna do some fishing right now. Give me a fish. Give me a fish. Thank you. Oh, okay.
Bro, you pulled it out. Like, sorry.
Give me a fish. Fishies.
Bro, you are doing it too late. Give me the fishing rod. Let me give you the fish.
How do I throw the fishing
You
rod?
need to just need to like immediately pull once the bob comes. You know, just immediately pull it. Now,
Nice.
let's go. You fished it from us.
Okay, you can take this thingy.
No, I don't. Okay. Let me show you how to fish. I will teach you how
Okay.
to fish. Fishing classes with Ray Polite. Wait, what? I
Hello,
cannot
welcome
fish.
back to Fishing Classes with Ray Polite, and today's lesson is how to fish.
See?
Awesome. So what can I do with this? With the fish?
You can eat it if you are low.
Nice. Okay, I'm
Bro, drink that. And
Drink what?
take that shotgun and drink that. Just
Okay.
take that instead of your shotgun and drink that shield potion.
Okay, so
Sorry
we are-
guys, if you are sorry guys, because he is new to this game, so I need to teach him some.
Yes, guys, I am a lot new to this game. Let me drink this, then I'll take my gun back.
Yeah, you can.
Yes, let's drink this.
Chill, we are in the zone.
Okay. So, if you guys like the gameplay and you can comment us to do some Fortnite challenges.
Yep, like grey only challenges.
minute, we are outside
green
the building.
challenges.
You're outside
Yep.
the building. Oh wait, there is
Bro, you can
someone
break
outside.
the building.
Yes, I will break the building. I am a destructor. I am a bad kid. Okay, kids. The lesson. Okay, guys. Actually,
Okay, where are they? Okay, I see them. Let me get few elims real quick. Oh my god, it's so fun to play with you because I'm not getting sweats at all because
Attack!
it's your idea after all.
attack! Can I please kill the
Oh,
dog?
let me shake him down. Let me shake him down. You
What
can
the-
carry him. You can carry him though.
Is it? Come on, my friend. I will take you to a journey which you will not like.
Wait, what? What is this lag? Alright, finally.
Seriously, I had a hostage, bro.
Bro, your voice is cracking.
I had a hostage, dude. Seriously, my voice is cracking.
Yep.
Really?
Oh my god, what is this lag? I think it might be because of my lag. Bro, you can have my shotgun.
I have a shotgun. Okay, but I need to change my pistol. So let's get the shotgun. better. No, I'll take that. Assault rifle. That's way better.
Bro, you have a grey shotgun if I'm not mistaken.
Pump shotgun.
Bro, how are you holding your shotgun?
What?
Your character is holding the shotgun like other way, front face back for me. Lol.
What? What?
Yep.
What?
Yep.
Okay,
Sorry guys
okay.
for that. I'm so sorry guys for that.
Nice. Nice. Nice.
Oof, my back hurts.
Okay, I game every day for the whole day, and yeah, so my back is prone to it.
Bro, sorry for the joke. Bro, come here, come here.
Okay.
I want to show you something. I want to show you something.
Okay.
Do you see this mushroom? I'm going to eat those. You cannot eat those because you have full shields.
Okay, and
Now I'm on full
how the
shield.
hell do you? Okay, I noticed this right now, and I'm saying, how the hell do you have?
And I got some mats as well. So. Bro, follow me, behind me. Wait, what?
Goku Saiyan.
Bro, I have your
This is
shotgun.
a pump shotgun. Even I have a pump.
No. You, which color pump do you have? Gray, green, blue, which one?
This.
No, bro. I cannot see the color. You need to tell me the color.
Okay, wait.
Yeah. That was gray. That is the worst pump shotgun. This is blue. This is third best pump shotgun. The
Okay,
one which I have is the second best
I
shotgun.
can't see the color.
Oh, okay, bro. It's like the color of the box. The color of the box.
Okay.
Do you see the pump shotgun icon?
Acha, it's a blue. Wait a second. Okay, you're right. Yeah. Okay, it's blue. And I have a green pump shotgun also.
Why are you carrying two shotguns? Now this is not season 2.
Okay, I changed one and I got suppressed submachine. Oh, what is a crash pad?
Oh, okay. They are like pads which launches you up in the air and you do not take fall damage.
Okay. Oh wow, you created a path for me to jump down the hill.
Yep.
Nice.
Yeah, actually I created that for me, but that's alright.
Okay, guys. So I need to do some kills. So yeah.
Okay. Guys. I'm going to let him get the last elim.
Seriously, bro. Seriously. Why are you
I'm
bullying
going to
me?
try. I'm going to try to give you. Like, I'm not going to shoot that guy until and unless you get knocked or something like that. Do you want me to handle it or do you want to fight?
I will fight. Where is he?
Oh, bro. On my marker.
Hi.
He's single.
Nice.
Did you got him?
Yes.
Oh, let's go. You get. Okay, nice.
Guys, subscribe to the channel for this. Subscribe. Okay. If you don't
Yes,
subscribe,
guys. It was his.
yeah.
I think it was his first elim.
Yeah.
Let's
And if
go.
you don't subscribe,
We
I'ma put
are
my
chilling
teeth
on 9 elims right now. We are chilling on 9
Yeah.
elims right now.
And guys,
Total 9
let me
elims.
warn you, not warn you. I'ma warn you. If you don't subscribe, I'ma Fortnite you. What the hell?
Bro, I just shockwaved my way up. I am
Okay.
just using my shockwave grenades to eliminate everyone, and then you can get the last elim, right?
Okay. That should be named Goku Grenade.
Boku grenade? Okay, what's
Yes.
Boku grenade?
You don't know about Dragon Ball Z?
Oh, okay, I know. I watched the movie Dragon Ball Z, but nah, I'm not a fanboy of Dragon Ball Z.
Same. I just like make to like. Okay, forget it. Forget it.
Okay.
I'ma edit this part out. Oh my. Okay, this is a suicide camp. Forget it. What the hell?
Bro, I'm kind of doing the sacrifice thing.
Oh my! Why did you? Okay, I just got thrown into the water far away. And there is this dude
What
attacking
one?
me. There is this dude
Bro.
attacking me.
Bro, just kill him. Chill, just kill him. He might be a bot.
I guess he is a bot. Let's nail him.
See? Told you.
Cold, he killed him. Oh wow! Guys, my second kill, guys. Battle Pass 8 level up. Nice. And I also got some free V-Bucks actually in the start.
You got some free?
V-Bucks.
Oh, okay. Bro, can you save the last guy? Because I can trick shot the last guy. I have everything to trick shot the last guy. Let's do the trick shot on the last guy. Alright? If you find the last guy, do not kill him.
There are 4 people left, means 2 more dudes.
Yeah.
Where are you? Okay, you are up the hill. Come on, get up. Get up! Get up, Fortnite dude. Fortnite dude. Okay.
There's a gold sniper over there just in case if you want that. Gold snipers are the best snipers in the game.
I won't go in there because there is a zone coming up on me and I really gotta climb up here. Idea! Let's create a floor right below me. Noise.
What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to climb up.
Okay.
What the hell? Why are you playing sound effects?
Okay, sorry, bro. Oh my god. Bro. One guy on me. He's dead. Bro, he's dead, bro. If you see someone, just do not. Oh my god. He's right in front of me.
Come on.
No, hold up. Let me trick shot him.
Okay, bro, I can't even come up there. It's like so damn.
Let's go! Got him! Let's go!
Guys,
That's
if you
what I
haven't
was talking
subscribed,
about.
you gotta subscribe. You gotta subscribe, bro.
Bro, just click on match stats. How many heliums did you have?
Where is match stats?
How many?
Where are the match stats? Acha, match stats. Got it. I have 2 elims.
Okay, I had 11, so that put us to 13 heliums. So I hope you guys enjoyed this gameplay, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye. Stay awesome. Stay cool.
Adios, guys.
Woo.